Hello, hello, and welcome on in to another episode of the Whiskey Crusaders. I'm Will.
I'm Matt.
We are minus Sarah today, but trucking along anyway. Today we are going to be drinking Jameson and their 18-year-old expression. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for me.
Alright, so this is the Jameson Limited Reserve, 40%. This is also a triple distilled, which is the same thing, malt and unmalted in the pot still, plus the grain whiskey. So what they do is they combine 3 whiskeys that are all 18 years old, in ex-bourbon, one's an ex-bourbon, American oak, one's in European oak, and then also one's in sherry butts. So you get the combination of the bourbon, the ex-sherry, and you take a small amount of grain whiskey as well. And just prior to blending it, finish all in first fill bourbon cask. Each bottle's numbered since it's a limited edition. This is the old green box that's discontinued, unfortunately. I have tried to compare to the new one. Boo. This is, we can thank our friend Logan Thibodeaux for doing the run in England to get this awesome bottle. So this is actually a UK bottling, as you can see. So this is a 700 milliliter bottle, because unfortunately UK gets screwed out of 50 milliliters. I'm sorry, your government sucks. So anyway, so like I said, UK bottling. Thanks again, Logan, for picking this up for us over there in England. So thank you. All right, so let's get into this.
We'll link the Jameson videos that we've done previously at the end of this video.
Yes.
So you can get a history and that type of thing.
Oh, it's pure blueberries.
Yeah, there was much more berry in this nose than there was in the last.
It's like tarts. Hell, it's a freaking, what do you call it? Cherry Pop-Tart.
Mmm.
Some worn leather.
Get behind that. Yeah.
Lots of berries.
This is an Irish fingerprint. This is malted and unmalted barley. You can smell both. This is absolutely used oak. You can't smell the predominant vanilla and the predominant cinnamon that you normally get from a new oak vessel.
Right. I mean, they're there, but they're pretty mild.
Right. They're just kind of hidden in the background, which makes me automatically say used oak instead.
Right. And the grain whiskey is very, very mild. There's only just a little bit of grain whiskey in this one. Like I said, plus it's 18-year-old grain whiskey. It's already old grain whiskey to begin with. But yes, you do have a little bit of like worn leather and some cinnamon and clove, like a lime rind.
Yeah. Brown
sugar, some dates and hazelnut, chocolate shavings, maybe some buttered toast, fresh baked sugar cookie. It smells really sweet compared to the others, for sure.
And a lot less metallic.
Yeah, I mean, heck, we can even, if you want to just... This is the 12 we had left over from the other one, just... Okay. So yes, the blueberries compared to the red berries and that is pretty predominant.
Oh, wow.
That's like crazy different. Wow. And with the regular Jameson. Because, you know, why not? Yes, we brought back our friend the jug of Jameson. And its friend, the 12-year. So we wanted to compare them all for you guys, so...
Oh. Yeah, the 18 is
alright, so
a massive step up on the nose.
Mm-hmm. Oh, it's a fruit bomb. Like juicy fruit gum. Oh, wow. Lots of that. You can get the heavy sherry influence in this. Also lots of more blueberries, almonds. It's also got like that, like a dry sparkling wine, I think, note to it.
Yeah. There's a tart component to this. This is a sweet beverage for sure, but there's a tart component to this as well. Maybe like overripe berries.
Yeah, definitely. It's also got your dates and your plums. More of like a brown sugar being burnt on top of a creme brulee. But yeah, the main predominant is strawberries, blueberries, blackberries, raspberries. And the finish is a little more cinnamon and some mint and more of that worn leather. This is freaking delicious.
Yeah, absolutely good. Again, just at 40% as well. This one has a much deeper characteristic than the last two did, though.
Definitely.
The age shows up.
Yeah.
This is the 12.
Yeah, it's 12, okay. Okay, so the metallic note is basically non-existent on the 18. Now comparing it to the 12, you pick up a little bit of metallic on that 12.
Yeah, I remember getting a little bit of the metallic on the 12, and the drop of water helped with that.
Yeah, and then of course, way more metallic on the regular Jameson compared to the 18. 18 is beautiful, so You can find this old green box. It wasn't bad. It was like 116, I think he said he paid over there. Approximately what it rolls up to in US dollars, so not bad at all. For an 18-year-old Irish, that's really freaking good.
Oh, man.
And at 40%, it is amazing how much flavor comes out of this at 40%.
It really is. And even adding a drop of water, bringing it down below 40%, the flavors not only remain constant, but actually kind of dial up a little bit, I think.
Really?
Yeah, that was a fun drop of water addition.
Okay, like the blueberries just jump out of this thing.
I don't know that I've ever had a 40% get more intense with a drop of water. But there it goes. It was wow. It's really, really enjoyable.
That's really good.
Well done, Jameson.
Yeah.
Bring it back, man.
Yeah, because unfortunately, like I said, I've tried the other one. All these awesome flavors. It was really muted in the new 18 year. I've heard great things with the cask strength. We'll bring you guys a review on that at some point.
That's what I want.
The cask strength 18. But for now, we want to get you guys these older ones. Well, they're still in the market. Hopefully, you can find one. Get the old green box. I would pass on the new wooden box of the regular 18. It was just, also was dialed down so much. There has to be older stuff in here, whereas that one I think this was like basically right at 18. It just was nowhere near as round and good. This is just freaking delicious.
Yeah, this tastes like it could have 24, 25-year-old, maybe even older.
It's really, really good.
Yeah.
So, yeah, this is definitely, you can find the old green box, buy all day long.
Yeah.
Well, that was delicious.
Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and drop us a comment down below. Till next time, keep on crusading for better whiskey in your glass.
Cheers.
Cheers.
I really like that whiskey. That's really good.